planet where life exists, including the human. But how if the humans created a day that will destroy the Earth? By being a responsible citizen, global warming was born. How can we stop the destruction of our mother?
Here we are in a Dao Creek, here at Amparo High School. 9 years ago, this creek is so clean that you can take a bath. But now, it is likely a huge garbage blocks the waste of water that causes floods when big volume of water comes. You can see now that boy is throwing his garbage on this creek. Hey, hey, hey! That's bad!
That is the big problem. Not just this place, but all over the country. The people doesn't have their discipline, and maybe a year after, we will have a date with our next destination.
Hey, as we can see now, that is another cause of global warming.
Wait!
Inang
Morning!
the minor causes of global warming. Now we are going to the place where the big and the major causes of global warming contribute.
Go!
This is the first factory on this road. This is the second factory in this road. In our research, there are 3 factories in this road.
So, how much more if we go on to Makati where the central trade is? I'm sure we will see 1,000 of factories there. So, ayan, we are here in the barangay hall of our barangay 179.
To conduct an interview to our barangay official.
There's no people yet, so we will wait and we will wait a few minutes, a few seconds, a few hours or whatever, a few months.
To interview,
The interview,
the grade.
the love. Go.
Dahil po kayo, nakaupo kayo dito sa may lamesa niyan at kayo po ay nagsisilbi sa may ating komunidad. Ano pa po, ano po ba yung mga napatupad niyo na po na programa para po makapagbigay sa may global warming? Global warming.
Pwede isa na dyan yung mga waste segmentation. Waste segmentation, di ba? Tapos, yung sinasabi ng yung trig natin, meron din naman. Tapos, yung declocking ng trees. Yung declocking, pag sinabi mong declocking, tinatanggal yung mga basura, yung mga plastic, yung mga kung ano ng mga hindi natutunan na bagay. At kinukuha yun. So, dinadala sa materials, sa facility namin para i-segregate. Segregation pa rin.
So, kuya, sino yung mga taong involved dito? Tapos sino yung mga, pag gumagawa kayo niyan, sino yung mga kasama nyo? Sino yung mga taong involved?
Number 1, ang involved dyan, ang barangay captain. Tapos, yung mga kagawad, down to sangguniang kabataan, then sa mga volunteers na.
So, ayan po, thank you po sa maganda niyo pong sagot sa aming kakitaan. Pasensya na po kung manggulo kami po.
Go! Global warming is the rise in the average temperature in the Earth's atmosphere. It is the destruction of the Earth due to greenhouse gases produced by human activities such as burning fuels, deforestation, improper waste disposal, and smoke from factories.
So, there are many ways to prevent it, just like the incorrect, proper disposal of our waste, stop using the chemical products, and plant more trees to prevent that global warming. So, as we are the concerned Antaraonians, we will do it